as a business owner, you want people to buy your products or your services, right? You want people. That's the first part of the phrase. And where are people? People are there on social media. The facts say that more than half of the world's population is there on social media. In this particular video and in this channel, we are going to talk about how to grow your business via social media. How you can use the power of social media to grow your business and to get the results that you have always wanted. Let's start with addressing the very basic question. As a business owner, as an entrepreneur, why should you bother about social media marketing at all? Let's put marketing away. Why should you bother about social media at all? What's there for you? You must be doing two things. Either you are selling a product or you are selling a service. And what do you want? You want people to buy your products or services. Now, there's a key phrase here. You want people. And the facts say that more than half of the world's population is there on social media. So where are you going to get people from? You're going to get people from social media who are in turn going to buy your products or services. And the most exciting thing about social media is it is absolutely free of cost. You can just create a post and reach to a person who's sitting across the planet right from your one post. And there is no cost involved. You can just open an account on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, whichever platform you like. You just open an account there, do a good post and follow some metrics. And that post can literally reach a person sitting across the planet with zero cost involved. Okay. Of course, there are paid social media marketing as well, but to begin with, you can achieve great results with organic social media marketing as well. And with social media, you can communicate your message in any way you want. Do you want text, image, photographs, videos, audios, any way you want, you can communicate your message. There are social media platforms specializing in every form of method that you want to communicate with. So Bill Gates rightly said, if your business is not on the internet, your business will go out of business. And in today's time, is social media not synonymous with the word internet? You pick up any digital marketing strategy, any internet marketing strategy, and it is not complete without having an element of organic social media into it. Whether you want leads for your business, whether you want more sales, you want more traffic for your website, you want more downloads for your app, you want to provide better customer service, literally whatever your goal is, you can achieve that with the power of social media. Having said that, I'm going to introduce a very interesting phenomenon to you, which was produced by Simon Sinek, and it is known as the golden circle. So not just to social media, you can apply this strategy to anything or everything that you do in your life. What does the philosophy say? There are three circles that start with a why, then go to how, then go to what. Now let's try to understand with the example of social media marketing. In social media marketing, you can use this principle from very small things such as updating your Instagram bio, updating your Twitter bio, to updating to your content marketing strategy or to your posting strategy as well. Let's see an example of that. So here I am on the Instagram page of Squarespace. Let's assume that you do not know what Squarespace is about. Okay, you have no clue what is Squarespace, and you're just landing to this page. Now let's understand how are they applying Simon Sinek's the golden circle principle to their Instagram bio. The first line says, empowering creators and entrepreneurs. So the first thing that we have to do is explain the why. Why does your business exist in the first place? What is your mission statement? Why are you there? Okay. Squarespace says empowering creators and entrepreneurs. Why do they exist? They exist to empower creators and entrepreneurs. Okay. Next, we have to explain the how. How can a person come to your page? How can a person benefit from your business? Okay. Now they say they provide the tools needed: website, online stores, domains, and more. So they empower creators and entrepreneurs. Why they are here? They are here to empower entrepreneurs and creators. How would they do that? By providing tools needed: websites, online stores, domains, and more. Okay. Now, what should you do with the Instagram page? What's this brand? What do they do? But what should you do with their page? So they clearly say, share your work with #MadeWithSquarespace. So they're giving you a very clear call to action. You come to this page, you get inspired, you get empowered, and then you share your work with this hashtag so that they can connect with you. And apart from that, they have a very interesting link in bio. They have a link attached to their Instagram bio where they are telling you what you can get from the brand. Where they are telling you what you can get from the brand Squarespace. So they are clearly telling you why do they exist, how can you benefit from them, and what do they have to offer, or what you can do with them. What you can do with their Instagram page particularly. Okay. While making a content strategy, divide your post such that people know why should they follow your brand, how can they benefit from your business, and what do you actually provide. Like the actual promotional posts, they come in the what category, and how do you do what you do, that comes in the second category, and what is your mission statement. That is the main thing, that is like the crux, that's the crux that will create a thought leadership for your brand, that will create a human connection for your brand. And I would like to quote Hootsuite, social media for businesses is no longer optional. Whether you want to get attention, drive traffic, build trust, nurture your leads, or make sales directly on the app, each and everything is possible on social media. And if this helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel to get regular updates on how to grow your business via social media marketing.